These are times road ragers went a bit too far. You never know who you're freaking out on when you let your road rage get the best of you. This guy probably should have just stayed in his car.
Oh. Oh yeah.
This person tried to do some damage, but the dancing might have been the most damaging part.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Sometimes road rage leaves a mark.
But a reporter from Vox has a completely different take, writing, quote, and this is the title for the article, I saw a Marco Rubio town hall in New Hampshire.
If you're going to follow somebody, you should make sure to have an excuse ready when you get caught.
Road rage incident today in Hillsborough County near Citrus Park Mall. Lady follows us into the police station and gets pissed off.
Road rage! Road rage! I am! With all this stuff, yeah! I am! So then why'd you turn into the police station? Why'd you turn into the police station? Why'd you turn into the police station if you weren't following us? Yeah. And I got your plate too.
That's one way to calm down an angry driver.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I don't know if she even knew why she was mad.
She just hit my car. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Why are you so mad? 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 Why? Why are you so mad? Why are you threatening me? I'm just trying to get to work. I'm just trying to get to work.
Every second the driver doesn't react, this road rager gets madder, and the video gets funnier.
Yeah, take a video! Get the f*** out! You just tried to rear-end me and my wife, Look what you did to my car! I hope you have insurance, motherfucker! Get the fuck out of your truck! I'm gonna beat your fucking ass! Get the fuck out, bitch! Get the fuck out, you pussy! You're gonna be a fucking phone too long! Get the fuck out! You fucking bitch assholes, motherfucker! Get the fuck out of your truck! Get the fuck out, you pussy ass bitch! Let's go! Get out! Get out of your truck! Get out of your truck so I can beat your fucking ass! Get out of your truck, bitch! Let's go! Come on! Look! Wanna go? Come on! Let's go! Let's go! Take a fucking video! Take a fucking video, cunt! You fucking whore bitch cunt! Let's go! Come on! Get the fuck out! Get the
Just another angry driver to come by with a towel and he'll have a clean windshield. Putting the car in park seems like it should be the first thing on your mind when you decide you're going to get out of it during a fit of road rage. When forced into a road rage situation, sometimes you have to fight dirty. Poor guy was just sitting in the back seat. How is it his fault?
May have just cut this guy off in traffic. God damn it.
What the fuck was that about, huh? What's up, you fat pig? What, you don't see where you're fucking going?
I wasn't even driving.
Don't shut the fuck up, you fucking piece of bacon!
Why'd I get picked up?
Idiot tries to take on a truck 3 times the size of his own. I'm sure he's shocked at the results. Seems like a waste of a perfectly good mug. No matter how many steroids this moron takes, he still can't do more damage than a car.
Precise? Oh. Oh yeah.
This idiot cuts someone off and gets angry at the audacity to honk.
Drive away.
Even after these drivers try to de-escalate the situation and leave, a whole group of fools led by the bad driver gang up on them.
No. What jogging? Oh, này. Con này. Con này. Bố kìa, bố.
Move.
Hello, I'm on the road. Got one Indian family. You know, they want to knock on us. You know.
They knocked my car already.
Not already.
They knock my car. They want to fight with us. Yeah, they want to.
Patani Road.
Patani Road. Yeah, at Patani Road.
If 6-year-olds could drive, this is how they would conduct their road rage. If you enjoyed this video, you will for sure love the video on the screen.